Yeah. Back through the door, bag full of smoke. Sit back, relax, and max with the hoes. Chat with my folks, laughing and jokes. I'm hard to the core and she bad to the bone. Ask her the bone, chats on the phone. Her 3 friends with it, just a tagging along. Ask for the flow, back to the song. Flashbacks only bring me back to that thong. Cause we been getting high all week. Smoking, drinking, I'm her drug and she get high off me. Now I'm back to the stove, blunt wraps for the dro. Roll it back in that backwood, pass it and smoke. Wanna get her high, so I pass her the most. She want that bread and butter, so I pass her the toast. That ASAP motto is party, get high. We back to the future, that Marty McFly. Sometimes I think about the past. Seems like good time is flying fast. Somehow my presence always lasts. The future always going back. La 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 la. La 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 la. Back to the future, that Marty McFly. Back through the door, back from the store. Back to the wall, with my back to the wall. Rolling up a blunt, passing it off. Ass on the floor, cash back on the floor. Mac with the broads, chat to the hoes. There go my nigga, dap to my dogs. I pray on that pussy, chat with the Lord. Seen how it seems like I had it before. I think back, way back when with my memories. We was getting high, sipping on Hennessy. Now it's like lean, thinking back seat, way back, riding on something clean. Yeah, I mean 2010s, we don't do the teens, now it's 2011. Let me know something, take her back to my session. Back to the pad, now I'm back on that ass. Back to the future, back to the past. Sometimes I think about the past.